So market analysis. You guys need to know the three basic types of market analysis. So the three being technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. So the first one, technical. What is technical analysis and what makes a technical trader? Technical analysis is when you make your predictions based on price movement. So technicians or technical analysis believe that history repeats itself. So in the charts, if you were to see a certain pattern arising in your current charts and you go back 3 years and you see the same pattern and it gave you it before in history, it shorted at that point in time after that pattern, then technical analysts would tend to have a short bias. Fundamentalist and fundamental analysis is when you study and make your predictions based on the economics. So when I talk about economics, it's pretty much using news events, supply and demand, pretty much economics 101. News events can be PR, can be actual news, it can be whatever. Just any sort of news event that comes out, or in terms of PR, yeah. And then types of, And then there's sentiment analysis. So sentiment analysis is simply each trader believes in their own opinion on why the market moves a certain way. So sentiment traders usually use a mixture of technical, fundamental, and put them together and create their own style, which they believe is the way the market moves, which is totally fine because that's essentially what we're doing, which to them is playing with their edge. So like I mentioned in the psychology, you always want to be playing with your edge. So if your edge is your own trading style, boom,